Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video in our Modbus protocol series. In this episode, we are going to take a closer look at one of the most widely used protocols in the automation world, Modbus RTU and our RS-485. So what exactly is Modbus? Well, Modbus is a communication protocol that was originally developed by a company called Modicon back in 1979. Modicon is known as the inventor of the first programmable logic controllers or PLCs, and they needed a simple way for these devices to communicate with each other and with external systems. And that's how Modbus was born. In fact, the name Modbus comes from combining Modicon and Fieldbus, essentially meaning Modicon's field communication system. Today, Modbus is everywhere, from sensors and meters to PLCs and HMIs. Almost every automation device supports Modbus in some form. And now let's talk about the physical layer, RS-485. It's important to understand that Modbus is just a protocol, a set of rules for how data is formatted and interpreted. On the other hand, RS-485 is an electrical standard. It defines how devices are physically connected and how signals are transmitted. You might have also heard of RS-232, which is another communication standard, and RS-232 is typically point-to-point, one master and one slave communication protocol, electrical standard. But RS-485 allows for multi-drop communication, one master, multiple slaves, up to 32 devices. Also, RS-485 supports longer distances, up to 1,200 meters, and it is more immune to noise, making it ideal for industrial environments. And when we talk about Modbus RTU, we are usually referring to Modbus running over an RS-485 network. In this setup, the devices communicate using a master-slave architecture. The master sends a request and the corresponding slave device responds. Each device on the RS-485 bus has a unique address, and only one device can speak at a time to avoid collisions. This setup is simple, reliable, and cost-effective, and that's exactly why it's still so popular today, Modbus. So, to sum it up, Modbus is a communication protocol, RS-485 is an electrical standard. Together, they form one of the most widely used setups in industrial automation. In the next videos, we will dive deeper into how Modbus RTU frames are structured, how addressing works, and how you can implement it in your own projects. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.